Okay, so our journey begins where pretty much all life began, in the water. We're starting with the foundational group for the entire plant kingdom, these incredibly diverse organisms we call algae.
So what exactly is an algae? Well, first off, they have chlorophyll, which just means they can do photosynthesis, make their own food from sunlight. Now, here's a key word you've got to know. Phalloid. It sounds complicated, but all it means is that their body is super simple. It doesn't have the true roots, stems, and leaves that you'd see on, say, a rose bush. And, of course, they are mostly aquatic, living it up in both freshwater and the oceans.
And this right here completely shatters the idea that simple means boring or all the same. No way. On one hand, you've got something like Volvox, which is just this tiny, microscopic little colony of cells. But on the other hand, you have giant kelps, which form these massive, dense underwater forests. It's just a huge range of shapes and sizes, all built on that same basic, simple body plan.
Okay, to make sense of all this variety, scientists group algae into 3 main classes, and it mostly comes down to their color. The really crucial difference between them is the kind of pigment they use to capture sunlight. You've got the green algae with chlorophylls A and B, just like the plants on land. Then you have the brown algae, which get their distinct color from a pigment called fucoxanthin. And finally, the red algae, which use something called phycoerythrin. And this isn't just for looks. These different pigments are amazing adaptations that let them absorb different colors of light, which means they can live at all sorts of different depths in the water. Pretty cool, right?